A tragic incident involving a Tesla car recently made headlines. In Seattle, a motorcyclist lost their life when an autonomous vehicle failed to detect them in time, leading to a fatal collision. This heartbreaking event underscores the complexities and risks associated with self-driving technology, highlighting that while the promise of autonomous vehicles is immense, the journey to safe and reliable implementation is fraught with obstacles. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are pouring billions into research and development, with test vehicles logging millions of miles on public roads. Their potential to enhance safety, efficiency, and accessibility is immense, promising a future where transportation is fundamentally transformed. Hello, this is Andy again from AI World. Today we look into how autonomous vehicles will reshape our future. The potential impact of autonomous vehicles is staggering, touching nearly every aspect of our lives. From commuting to city design, the ripple effects will be felt far and wide. Imagine commutes transformed into opportunities for productivity, relaxation, or sleep. Traffic congestion could become a relic of the past. Cities designed around people, with reclaimed spaces transformed into parks and walkways. The environmental benefits are equally compelling. New job opportunities will emerge in fields like software development and AI engineering. Autonomous vehicles raise questions about our relationship with technology and its role in shaping our future. At the heart of every autonomous vehicle lies a sophisticated network of sensors, algorithms, and artificial intelligence, working in unison to perceive the environment, make decisions, and navigate the complexities of the road. These self-driving systems rely on a powerful combination of technologies, each playing a crucial role. Cameras capture visual information, LiDAR sensors create detailed maps, radar detects objects, and ultrasonic sensors provide proximity detection. This sensory data is fed into the vehicle's AI brain, where algorithms process the information and make decisions in real time. The AI algorithms handle tasks like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and obstacle avoidance. The development of autonomous vehicles showcases the progress in AI and the importance of ongoing research. As AI advances, we can expect more sophisticated autonomous vehicles, transforming how we live and interact with the world. Imagine cars navigating city streets and country roads without human intervention. This future is becoming reality thanks to AI. How do these vehicles see and understand the world? A network of sensors acts as their eyes and ears, collecting data. These advanced sensors work in harmony. Cameras provide a 360-degree view, capturing lane markings, traffic signals, and pedestrians. LiDAR uses laser pulses to create a 3D map of the environment. Radar detects objects and measures speed and distance, crucial for collision avoidance. Ultrasonic sensors help with parking and obstacle detection. Together, these sensors ensure autonomous vehicles understand their surroundings accurately. The brain behind the wheel, AI algorithms in action. Let's delve into the brain of an autonomous vehicle, the intricate world of AI algorithms. This is where raw data from sensors is transformed into intelligent decisions. A constant stream of information from cameras, LiDAR, radar, and ultrasonic sensors creates a dynamic picture of the environment. AI algorithms act as the master conductor of this sensory orchestra. These algorithms process information in real time, making sense of the chaotic world outside. One key task is perception, identifying and classifying objects in the environment. The AI then predicts the future behavior of these objects. It calculates probabilities, anticipates hazards, and plans the vehicle's path. The AI makes complex decisions in real time. Finally, it translates decisions into precise control commands for a smooth and safe ride. The safety imperative. Navigating the unforeseen. While the potential benefits of autonomous vehicles are undeniable, safety remains a paramount concern. We are entrusting these machines with our lives, and any system is bound to encounter unexpected situations on the road. The automotive industry and AI researchers are acutely aware of this challenge. Millions of miles are being logged, refining algorithms and improving safety protocols. Real-world driving is inherently unpredictable, filled with countless variables. Imagine a sudden downpour obscuring lane markings, a flock of birds crossing the road, or a child darting out from behind a parked car. These are the edge cases that test the limits of even the most robust systems. Addressing these challenges requires a multi-pronged approach. One crucial aspect is redundancy. Autonomous vehicles are equipped with multiple sensor systems. If one sensor fails, the others can compensate. Fail-safe mechanisms are equally important. In the event of a system malfunction, autonomous vehicles are designed to execute emergency protocols. Ongoing research in AI safety and explainability is crucial. We need to understand how autonomous vehicles make decisions. Transparency and accountability are essential. Building trust requires open communication, rigorous testing, and continuous improvement. AI and moral dilemmas. Autonomous vehicles present us with a profound ethical labyrinth. Machines making life or death decisions force us to confront questions about morality and responsibility. Imagine an autonomous vehicle faced with an unavoidable accident. It must choose between colliding with a pedestrian or swerving into a barrier. How does an AI system make such a decision? Who is responsible for the outcome? These are real-world dilemmas self-driving cars will encounter. There is no one-size-fits-all algorithm for morality. Ethical considerations touch upon values, cultural norms, and legal frameworks. Some argue for a utilitarian approach, minimizing overall harm. Others contend that such calculations reduce human life to statistics. The debate over ethical decision-making in autonomous vehicles will continue. It requires input from ethicists, philosophers, legal experts, policymakers, and the public. We must grapple with these ethical questions as we advance in AI. Establish clear guidelines for autonomous vehicle behavior. Foster open dialogue about the consequences of our technological choices. The success of autonomous vehicles hinges on both technology and human trust. How willing are we to relinquish control to machines? Can we trust these systems with our lives? For some, self-driving cars promise a stress-free future. For others, they evoke anxiety. Building trust requires transparency, education, and open communication. Public perception is crucial. Without trust, adoption will lag. Addressing concerns and fostering collaboration can pave the way for a smoother transition. Cybersecurity is paramount as autonomous vehicles rely on complex software and connectivity. These vehicles are vulnerable to cyber attacks, posing catastrophic risks. Robust security measures are being integrated into every stage of development. Collaboration among automakers, tech companies, and government agencies is key. Regular updates and secure communication channels are essential. Prioritizing security can build trust and ensure a safer autonomous future. Autonomous vehicles can reshape urban landscapes, creating people-centric spaces. Imagine cities with fewer cars, more parks, and vibrant public plazas. Autonomous public transportation could reduce reliance on private cars. Careful planning and collaboration are needed for this transformation. Rethinking zoning, infrastructure, and smart traffic systems is crucial. Embracing human-centered design can create more livable, sustainable cities. Autonomous vehicles could reduce emissions and improve air quality. Optimized driving patterns and reduced congestion can decrease fuel consumption. Self-driving EVs could address range anxiety and optimize charging. However, increased vehicle miles traveled could negate environmental benefits. Sustainable manufacturing and efficient recycling are essential. A holistic approach is needed to ensure a greener transportation future. Autonomous vehicles will impact the job market, especially in transportation. Traditional jobs may be displaced, but new opportunities will emerge. Specialized skills in AI, robotics, and cybersecurity will be in demand. Retraining programs are crucial for workers facing job displacement. Collaboration among governments, institutions, and companies is needed. Investing in human capital can create a more inclusive economy. Autonomous vehicles can revolutionize accessibility and mobility. They offer independence to individuals with disabilities and older adults. On-demand shuttles can connect rural areas to urban centers. Inclusive design principles are essential for accessibility. Affordability must be addressed to ensure equitable access. Prioritizing inclusivity can create a more just transportation system. Autonomous vehicles are now on public roads, transforming fiction into reality. Waymo and Cruise are leading the way with extensive real-world testing. These deployments provide valuable data for improving safety and reliability. Startups and research institutions are also making significant strides. Real-world data highlights social, economic, and infrastructural challenges. Pioneers are pushing boundaries, integrating autonomous vehicles into our ecosystem. The journey to autonomous vehicles has been long, marked by breakthroughs and challenges. Early attempts date back to the mid-20th century with rudimentary systems. Powerful computers and AI ignited the self-driving revolution. The DARPA Grand Challenge accelerated progress in the 2000s. Recent investments have led to remarkable advancements in technology. From prototypes to sophisticated vehicles, the evolution has been extraordinary. Shaping the future, challenges, opportunities, and the road ahead. As we stand on the cusp of the autonomous revolution, it is clear that self-driving cars have the potential to reshape our world in profound ways. However, realizing this transformative vision requires addressing a complex interplay of technological, societal, economic, and ethical challenges. One of the most pressing challenges is ensuring the safety and reliability of autonomous vehicles. While significant progress has been made in developing robust self-driving systems, edge cases and unexpected situations on the road remain a concern. Thorough testing, rigorous safety regulations, and ongoing research in AI safety and explainability are crucial to building trust in this technology and mitigating potential risks. Beyond technical challenges, we must also grapple with the societal implications of widespread autonomous vehicle adoption. Job displacement in the transportation sector, the need for robust cybersecurity measures to prevent hacking and data breaches, and the ethical dilemmas surrounding AI decision-making in unavoidable accident scenarios are just a few of the complex issues that demand our attention. Moreover, ensuring equitable access to autonomous transportation solutions, addressing potential congestion and sprawl concerns, and integrating self-driving cars into existing transportation networks are crucial aspects of shaping a future where autonomous vehicles benefit everyone. The road ahead is paved with both opportunities and challenges. By fostering collaboration between industry leaders, policymakers, researchers, and the public, by embracing a human-centered approach to technological development, and by engaging in thoughtful dialogue about the ethical implications of our choices, we can harness the transformative power of autonomous vehicles to create a safer, more sustainable, and more equitable transportation future for all. From imagination to innovation. We've journeyed through the fascinating landscape of autonomous vehicles. What was once science fiction is now a tangible reality. We've delved into the intricate workings of these marvels, exploring the symphony of sensors, the AI algorithms, and the machine learning models. We've witnessed their impressive capabilities in real-world deployments, from navigating bustling city streets to providing mobility solutions for individuals with disabilities. The pace of innovation is remarkable, driven by the pursuit of a safer, more efficient future. The crossroads ahead. Navigating the complexities of the autonomous future. As we look to the future, it's clear that we're at a crossroads in the evolution of transportation. The widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles is no longer a question of if, but when. And the decisions we make today will shape the trajectory of this transformative technology for generations to come. The path forward requires careful navigation, a delicate balancing act between technological innovation, societal acceptance, and ethical considerations. We must continue to refine the safety and reliability of autonomous driving systems, addressing edge cases and ensuring that these vehicles can handle the unpredictable nature of real-world driving. Robust cybersecurity measures are paramount to protect against hacking and data breaches, safeguarding both our privacy and our physical safety. The ethical dilemmas posed by autonomous vehicles demand ongoing dialogue and thoughtful consideration. We need to establish clear guidelines and regulations for AI decision-making in critical situations, ensuring that these machines are programmed with a moral compass that aligns with our values. The societal implications of widespread autonomous vehicle adoption are far-reaching, requiring proactive measures to address potential job displacement, ensure equitable access to transportation solutions, and mitigate potential congestion and sprawl concerns. The crossroads ahead present us with both challenges and opportunities. By embracing a collaborative approach, fostering open communication, and prioritizing human well-being, we can navigate these complexities and unlock the full potential of autonomous vehicles to create a safer, more efficient, and more equitable transportation future. A world transformed, embracing the promise of self-driving cars. Imagine a world where traffic accidents are drastically reduced, where commutes become opportunities for productivity or relaxation, and where the freedom of mobility is accessible to everyone, regardless of age or ability. This is the promise of self-driving cars, a future where technology empowers us to reimagine our relationship with transportation and reshape our cities for the better. In this future, urban landscapes are transformed, with streets designed for people, not cars. Pedestrian walkways and bike paths flourish, public spaces thrive, and the air is cleaner thanks to reduced congestion and the rise of electric autonomous vehicles. Imagine a world where logistics and delivery services are streamlined, with self-driving trucks and delivery bots efficiently transporting goods, reducing costs, and minimizing environmental impact. Imagine a world where older adults can maintain their independence and mobility, where people with disabilities have access to transportation options that empower them to live their lives to the fullest, and where rural communities are connected to essential services and opportunities through on-demand, autonomous transportation networks. The promise of self-driving cars extends far beyond mere technological advancement. It's about creating a future where transportation is safer, more efficient, more sustainable, and more equitable for all by addressing all the associated risks. Well, folks, this is what we have for you for today. Until we meet next time with another topic, stay safe. And please don't forget to like us and subscribe to AI World to get similar updates on artificial intelligence.